Christmas time is around the corner, and what better way to start to decorate than a holiday wreath? Here's an easy guide to how you can make your very own wreath this holiday season. To begin, you'll need some floral shears, ribbon shears, some wire, ribbon of your choice, grapevine wreath, some holiday greens, and embellishments of your choice. I will link all Amazon items in the description box below. To begin, you can weave small bits of your preferred greenery throughout the wreath in order to create the shape that you want. You'll notice that the grapevine wreath is held together by a strong wire. You can weave the greenery through those wires to keep them secure. I added a second variety of greenery just to add a little more texture and interest. Now I'm adding in some dried tallow berries to add some movement. When cutting down branches or greenery, make sure to keep in mind the amount of branch that will have to go into the wreath. Pine cones can be easily found in the winter time and can be added to your wreath to add extra warmth. To secure the pine cones to the wreath, I use fine wire and weave it through the teeth of the pine cones and then attach it with the wire. I love the look of a classic and playful bell, so I added it with some fine wire as well. Lastly, you can add some velvet ribbon for a nice feminine touch. Here's my finished holiday wreath. If you make a wreath with this tutorial, I would love to see it. Please tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. Thank you for watching.